What's up, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing and installing the Corsa Performance double H pipe sold by Lethal Performance. I've already got the full Corsa Extreme catback on my Mustang with the double X pipe that you're used to seeing from Corsa, but when I heard they were coming out with an H pipe, I had to go for it. So this H pipe is only sold on Lethal Performance. You can't even buy it on Corsa's website, so if you're interested, there'll be a link below. Other than that, let's get to the unboxing. Now, everything Corsa makes is always extremely well boxed up. It's always very secure, so you don't have to worry about it being damaged in shipping or anything. Of course, as always, everything Lethal makes very well secure. Everything Lethal makes very well secure, very well packaged. So as you can see, that's the case here. Got some hardware down here. I shouldn't need these since I already have these on my car. And then here's our double X pipe, or double H pipe. Alright, so as you can see, we have our double H pipe here. Now I'm going to get to uninstalling the X pipe. I'll get you a cold start of the Mustang with the X pipe so we can have a before and after comparison. And then I'll put the H pipe and the X pipe next to each other so you can really see what we're looking at. So as you can see, we've got the double X pipe on the left, double H pipe on the right. You know, I think it's pretty easy to see that they're pretty similar, right? Same length, you know, Corsa Performance down here. Ooh, no Corsa Performance on this one. This is an official Corsa product though, I promise. See, it says Corsa right on the box. But yeah, so here you can see them side by side. Now I've got to get the H pipe put into the car. My expectation for the H pipe is it's gonna have a little bit deeper sound to it, right? My understanding is these bins all both raise the pitch of the sound because the sound's literally bouncing off of these bins, as well as decrease the volume because each bin decreases the velocity of the exhaust gas through the exhaust. With the straighter pipe here, you're gonna get a louder sound, a deeper tone, more of that classic muscle car rumble. That's what I'm looking for. Alright guys, so there you have it, the Corsa X pipe swapped out for the Corsa H pipe. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much.